Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this like really cool text effect, like this intro text effect. I guess I'm just going to choose like a random background here. You can choose any that you want. Actually, I might use this one instead. Go to text, add in your default text. I'm going to type in the word ocean, just the font size. Again, you don't have to choose the same font and stuff as I am. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah. I'm just going to also add in shadow. You don't have to do this, but I can't really see the text if I don't use this. So yeah. Right click on the text, select create compound clip. Go to mask, which is here, and go to film strip and rotate it like this way and just feather it out a little bit. And you're gonna start like here or like here. It's totally up to you. I'm just gonna start here, of course. Add a keyframe at the beginning and like at the end, kind of, or like in the middle. You're just going to like move the mask feature here and just like move it down until the text disappears. So it's like a text reveal kind of. And yeah, that is basically it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!